meetup and a reading group, so we meet every Monday to talk about the latest research in the machine learning field. So there's tons of research that comes out every week, well every day even, so it's really hard to keep up to date. So with AISC, we get together, it's a group of machine learning enthusiasts, we talk about papers, we make friends, we hang out, and we eat free food. I think that's one of my favorite things.
I'm here today because it's important to me that women in this industry are aware of one another, get to know each other, we support one another. I love meeting my peers, I love understanding what everyone's working on, and it's really great seeing other women strive and be successful in their careers.
A scientist at heart, and I love bringing science products in a way that removes them from abstraction and brings them to everyday life.
I'm here today because I would like to be part of the community and meet other women in tech. It kind of feels good to see that there are other people who are successful in the field, to share my idea with them and basically take advantage of the solution that they're developing in their career.
Through these events that we get to know our peers much closer, get to understand what ideas they're working on, what kind of problems they're struggling with, and it's usually in a friendlier environment than you normally have at a regular conference.
And we're a company that invests in AI-focused startups. We're interested in supporting the development of impactful startups in the AI space, and also in helping people collaborate with medical researchers and clinicians, people with AI expertise. And we were a small sponsor of this event because we believe that the more kinds of voices and people that are involved in the solutions in those spaces, the better the results we'll get.
Which is why the AISC group is so important to me, because emerging technology is happening so rapidly, it is almost impossible to keep up. I think it is impossible to keep up on your own. So this is a fantastic group to bring together people from very different backgrounds and interests and help you learn and keep up to date in a fun and social way, and know who the experts are when you need to reach out and get that expertise.
I feel AISC that brings together some of the best and brightest minds in AI in the city of Toronto, and it's a privilege to be able to take part.
I really liked the event. We had different people from different fields, from, they shared their experience, whether it was in research or their career stage, or different, interesting projects that they've done. So it was a lot of learning for me in this event, not just as a speaker, but also as someone who learned from other people's experience.
One in our organization, of course, with our permission, but if necessary.
I think listening to women in the field of artificial intelligence and machine learning is super inspirational because the amount of projects that AI and ML can be applied to is phenomenal across so many different industries. And it's always great to hear from other women their trials, their tribulations, and their successes. It really gives me inspiration in how to think about bringing that back to the bank.
One of those steps towards gender equality is connecting with female talent and partnering with organizations like AISC, who share our core values.
I really liked it. I enjoyed the lightning talks and listening to other women who have been in different levels of their career, different stages of their career speak. It gives me motivation and inspiration to look at Danielle or Ro and be like, hey, I want to be like them one day and also learn from them. And maybe someday also be a leader.
So we realized that we have a community of about 1,000 people, and we have an opportunity to actually do something and make a difference, which is why we decided to start this women-focused initiative. We don't really want to stop with just women. We want to expand it to all minority groups. We thought that women, it's a good place to start.